Babe, look at this day. Babe, look at this day.
Oh, I know.
It's unbelievable. Loving you has made me better in every aspect of my life. Your love has worked its way through my home, my health, my business, and my overall happiness. Loving you has made everything better.
Today, surrounded by those we love most, my heart is full as I stand here in what you so perfectly called my princess wedding. You have been my biggest supporter, my protector, my best friend.
In marriage, you come home to your best friend. You set goals together. You build something bigger than yourself. You stop caring what the world thinks because what you have is rare.
Our love reminds me of an old proverb that says, some people are connected by an invisible red thread that connects those who are destined to meet, regardless of the time, the place, or the circumstance. The thread may stretch, the thread may even get tangled, but that thread will never break. Love you more, buddy.
Melissa, you bring out Ryan's thoughtful and grounded side. Ryan, you bring out Melissa's adventurous spirit. Together, you're a team that lifts each other up, and it's been a privilege to witness your journey to this beautiful moment today.
Cheers, guys.
What marriage gives you, if you lean into it, is a teammate. Someone to share the burden. Someone to talk with and laugh with. Walk with, and to help you when you're tired and discouraged.
I promise to honor the depths of you, the parts you show the world, and the parts no one sees. I promise to never take you for granted and to always recognize the love and effort you bring into our lives.
The beauty of this commitment is that it's not about perfection. It's about persistence. It's about choosing each other over and over through changing seasons and inevitable messes. It's the long conversations at midnight. It's the dog hair on everything you own. The inexplicable joy of knowing someone always has your back. It's not hard because it's marriage. It's hard because it's meaningful. And nothing meaningful comes without effort. But that effort becomes sacred. I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.
Babe, you look exceptional.
Thank you.
I can't even believe it.
Thank you.
It's perfect. This is the best I've ever seen you.
Thanks. Love you.
That's so good, babe. Babe, my life's gonna be so good now.
Lord, we thank you for answering our prayers. And my brother finally got married. It's been a long time.
I feel like my whole life has kind of come to this point, and next second half of my life, and it's with this woman, and we love you guys so much. We thank you for making the commitment to come out here.
I'm reminded how lucky I am to have you as my big sister. You truly are a strength in our family that I'll be forever grateful for. And to be able to share that sisterly bond is something so priceless. You will not only share a new name, but be able to create your own family filled with happiness and unwavering love. And there's nothing in the world that compares to that.
You planned one hell of a wedding. That's warm, personal, and so you. From the thoughtful details to the way you brought everyone together, it's clear how special this day is for you.
Throughout all these years, that thread has always connected us. And I just think it's just so pretty to think that, sorry, I'm quoting Taylor Swift here, folks. I have a tough time even saying it. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it so pretty to think that all along there was some invisible string tying you to me, baby?